welcome guys back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know when we say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, I'm doing a food challenge video where I'm challenging my son and his wife and my nephew and his wife. So I'm challenging both of them guys, because you don't know what, Mama Joan challenge everybody in our cook off and she never win none. So I am hoping I could win this one. So this is why I am challenging these guys. What do you think about that, Joy?
I think that's good.
You think that's a good idea?
And then giving me good luck.
Are you giving me good luck? Okay, I'm not going to say another part. The good luck is enough. So I'll take your luck and I will run with it, because you know what? Your grandmother really needs some luck with these challenges that she's doing. So guys, I'm going to introduce my challenger to you. My first team is Joseph and his wife. There they go. And my second challengers, my nephew and his wife, Troy and Remy. Okay. So that's it for me guys. So anyway guys, I'm gonna take a minute and I'll be back at you. So guys, I'm gonna introduce to you now what's on the menu. So for the menu, I'm gonna go to my basket and I'm gonna show you what's in my basket. So here we go. So here we go. We have chicken, potato, broccoli, and orange. So this is what we are to make the food out of. And everything that's in the basket have to include in the dish. Wow. Okay.
Jeez.
So
even
that's it guys. Guys, I know that I am going to bust some ass today. That's what I know. So let's see the people there.
Team Greenway over here. I already know. Out and bad.
Okay.
Idiot team that.
Bro, come out of the camera. Come out of the camera. Out and bad.
Coming to my show. I'm in the camera.
You're in the camera.
Dang,
Okay. So guys, we are going to start. We are going to start the videoing, the preparation for the food. Some of the people them start early running away with whatever they're supposed to do. But it's okay and the time is we are gonna know it guys. So anyway guys, I am going to show you guys my ingredients. I have my chicken, I have my potato, my broccoli, and my orange, and here's my seasoning. And my competition is over here.
We are.
They are well stocked up. My gosh. Look how much stuff them have. Wow. Everything well stacked up. Look at their setup. You know?
It's official. Like, this is us guys. So we have the garlic ready. Chicken sauteed.
Wash your eggs, sweetheart. And look over here too.
I didn't know these onions mess up your eyes too.
Yes, them well set up with them ingredients. But you know what? It's all good, because at the end of the day, I know I am going to be
The same something that you always are.
Every time I always come third, but you know what? It's okay.
She want to get 5 pieces of chicken in her. 5.
It's okay, guys.
Jeez.
Like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so that you don't miss a post when I post, guys. Okay? And I'm gonna dive right into it now. So guys, this is my chicken. I have it seasoned already. I'm chopping some onion here. So I'm gonna put some garlic. So the garlic is gonna go in my chicken. And my competitors, them is down there peeling potato with potato peeler. It look good still, cause them are do good pan the potato down there, Madge. Let me this there now. Look. I do very good on the potato with the carrot peeler.
Peeler.
Yep.
Orange,
Yep.
nice and hollow out.
That's the secret. Later.
Okay. Huh. Whew. Put this on that. And then here go. Mix that up.
Can I borrow your knife?
Yeah, you can borrow my chopper. I'm a good person, so I'm gonna share it with you. Yes, you
Are you
can.
using it to chop?
Yeah.
You can
No.
just wash it.
Yeah.
Alright,
Like a proper cup on that. And then this is well seasoned. Ready to go. Okay. So that's my chicken. Soaking, ready? Okay, then I'm done with that. Then I'm gonna, this is just garlic. I have on the board here, no chicken go on there, just the garlic. So then I'm gonna do my potato. Okay. We're having confrontation, and we need to have the confrontation. That was what's going on in here. People are fight against people. People attack people's stuff and all of them things there. You know, we have to have all of that.
Sabotage.
See, people turn off all the man of fried chicken. And turn off all the man stove with him chicken. Like, you know, like you can't do that. You can't turn off the man stove with him chicken.
Look at all this creativity here. It looks exactly the same.
It looks the same, guys, but it's not the same. It's not the same. Two different things, so you can't see it.
That's feeling nice. And then the second part made me feel
Like all you guys who say that. You know?
all I want to know is my chicken just good enough.
Me know say my chicken are go wicked, so I can't go on talk about one creativity. Listen, guys, look. They debone their chicken.
Deconstructed.
They're destructive, and that's okay.
Rotted alchemist over here.
Yeah,
constructing the meat and everything.
But that's okay. We not deconstruct nothing, but when we're done, it have a wicked. That's all we know.
That's biology, but biology is not now.
Okay, guys, biology, that's it. But you know,
Okay, I think this
we stand firm on the right thing.
With the same thing.
bro, that have black things on it, that don't have black.
This is Mama Joan chicken. Look how delicious it is, guys. Look how it looks. Looks good. Very good. Scrumptious, delicious.
Mama Joan house. Mama Joan house. What just happened just now? Fill us in. Fill us in. What just happened?
Well, it so happened that one of the chefs here in this challenge here put cheese on my broccoli, but you know what? It's all good. I am going to work with it because this is what you call you turn your hand and you make a fashion. This is a fashion. And you probably make it give it a flavor.
Oh
you know?
my
Okay,
gosh.
so work with it.
So you already know if that broccoli don't turn out good. Sabotage! Alright, so where we at? Where you at, Joe?
Hey, let me show you where you're at. You have something they call
BONNET.
It's a little charred. Because we still want that natural taste, you know what I'm saying?
Dang!
hey.
Dang! Where you at with your potatoes?
Hey, potatoes them soon done. Looks fresh, look nice. You see the garlic and thing.
Chicken look like it done?
Looks good. Chicken done.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well,
What we got?
I'm here making my garnish. I'm just here doing my garnish for my plate.
Okay.
So when I'm ready to plate, so
Okay.
because I'm soon finished,
Uh-huh.
you understand? So I'm just doing the garnish. So as soon as the garnish, I'm Once in the oven finish, then I'm ready to go. So far I'm doing good.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you have tons of stuff in the oven going.
Guys, okay. So guys, we have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. So now I'm doing my plating. You understand? So all of the judges them who said no one come on, they count down. I do the count down.
I've seen a lot of similarities.
The similarities is it's good, but it's the taste. It's the taste that we're going to have to work with.
No,
And we're done and ready already.
we are.
We don't know about them though. They're not gonna make it.
We're winning for sure.
1 minute on spot. Alright.
Mama Jones' house. She's plating.
So are we gonna need a knife to cut it up? Or cut in sections?
5, 4, 3.
I think we need to
So do we need like something to...
just cut and scoop, yes.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you right now?
Why I want to let him is at level 15 still enough.
Right up.
Let's flip on this. Level 15.
Why you leaving on my back?
Because it low.
I am not stressing at this point. I think I am doing very good.
Now you got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Exactly. 5 minutes.
Please be careful with a knife.
Now they running around.
I think do a sabotage over.
Yes. Sabotage.
Yes, I agree.
You know this?
Sabotage over.
You know this? We don't use it.
That's why you sabotage. That's what I'm saying. Right? Because I did sabotage over.
We did. We're using the oven, but their food was keeping our heat. So
I enjoy the sabotage over for the other people.
Guys, I am just following these people with these mark with the thing. So that's it. Where my mark is concerned. Get my broth
Fail.
out. Jesus Christ.
oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh this is no.
Pass me the Okay, guys.
5,
4,
4.
3.
No.
No, that's not. Man, you stress me out.
No. That's real, bro.
Oh yeah, no, that's real.
Ready?
Okay.
5, 4, 3.
We have 2 minutes.
You got
2 minutes
about, you got about a minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute to go, guys. Okay, here, this, that.
And we're done.
How's it going, Navi? How are you feeling?
Okay. Okay.
I'm not even hurt.
Yeah. That's it.
Wait, let me guess.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
No.
The man said 5
Done.
Yes, Pops has it. Pops has it.
Okay, pump some in, pump some in. Okay, okay.
You have to put it over there too, you know.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
40
okay.
seconds.
Let's go.
Okay.
40 seconds.
40
seconds.
seconds.
Guys, hot plates, hot plates. Everybody run.
How you wait for this? Let me
30 seconds.
Hold on.
Where's my food?
Right, that's
Hold on.
Quick.
20 seconds.
perfect.
I'll tell you when to start
Okay.
counting down. When it gets to 50, start counting down. 10. Go ahead.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Oh,
6,
God.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
All right.
Good job.
All right.
Okay.
Lord God. Oh, Lordy Lord.
Oh, Lordy,
Oh, Lordy Lord.
All right, so judges up.
7 So judges are well. We all made plates for 4. So basically, everybody except yourself will get one, and then Joy, you can share with Pops.
Okay. Okay.
So here are our judges. We got Joy. She is 7 years old. She turned 8. Very skilled and talented artist that knows how to use the taste of her tongue.
Very talented, very talented.
She loves my little
Round of applause for the judge number 1. Thank you.
And then we have next Mark, Granddad, Pops,
Champion.
Chop, Champion. Only on the TV show, not in the house. He also has a lot of skill in understanding foods.
Okay.
And that's it. To
And
see.
he's my friend.
Okay. So
And then we have one more
Which
who
is
has asked not to be shown, so we will respect her privacy. And it's Auntie Maggie. I'll show what she looks like.
You gotta start looking at it.
Auntie Maggie.
Joy.
She is the guest appearance,
oh God.
and you will hear her voice when she tastes the food.
Okay.
So, Team Anderson, we have a sauteed garlic and butter roasted potato with Asian-inspired chicken that is citrus infused and a grilled broccoli with our citrus sauce on the outside.
Asian persuasion.
For the Green family, the Green Wave, big up to us, you know what I mean? We have a orange infused chicken, kind of like, you know, the orange chicken that you'd order from like a Chinese store. Excitingly delicious.
AKA gulu gulu.
And we also have a creamy garlic cheesy potato casserole. Let's hope that is cooked. And we have some sauteed broccoli with 2 fresh slices of orange.
Everybody needs some freshness
how
with their
about
meal.
that sauce that's
This sauce. So, would you like to talk about the sauce?
I can talk about the sauce. The sauce is made out of freshly squeezed zest orange juice mixed with a little bit of brown sugar, okay? Brown sugar. And we added a little bit of soy sauce, stirred it up nice on the stove until it get nice and thick, okay? And then we drizzle it nice basket on the chicken and then pour some in the orange peel.
For Mama Joan, my thing is just a basic roast chicken in a nice orange sauce with my roast potato and my broccoli with onion, my broccoli and my onion with some nice orange sauce also. So mine is just a pure single dish. It don't have no whole heap of saute, nothing. No whole heap of fusion, nothing. Just a regular little dish. That's me. So I leave it to the professional, all of them that I learned to cook, I leave it to them. Okay guys, so that's my dish. So now we're gonna turn it over to the judges.
So, Mama Joan, this is theirs.
Okay.
Auntie Maggie, and then me and Joe.
Okay.
Can we get a fork, please?
Knife.
So we're gonna do,
Grab a knife.
so like, okay, so I'm tasting.
You're gonna feed me? So we're here tasting the chicken.
I had a piece of broccoli.
The broccoli's good.
Well, this broccoli is
Good
bitter
texture.
as it burned.
Not hard, judges.
It's true.
The chicken is delicious, though. Sweet and savory,
Sweet and savory.
not too salty.
Potato.
The skin could have came off.
Potato could have cooked a little bit more. It's kind of chunky, but can't fault them for that.
But the chicken flavor is really good.
Let me try the potato.
So the potato.
Auntie Maggie, what's your thoughts?
Let me try the chicken now.
Yeah, the potato could have used a little more cook time. The potato coming like chips.
Chicken.
I like the chicken.
The chicken is
Chicken
real
is
good.
good.
Chicken is delicious.
Very flavorful.
Chicken is very, very flavorful. Very
The
nice.
broccoli's a little fresh, but it's
Yeah,
good.
the broccoli is fresh.
For me, this is my final mark.
Chicken real good.
The potato is a little bit, could cook a little bit more. For me, the broccoli is burnt, so it's kind of have a bitter taste for me. Yes, it's burnt, so it can have a bitter taste. But the chicken is absolutely delicious.
Yeah, the chicken is phenomenal.
So that's that for me.
Hey, what you say about the broccoli?
The broccoli, it's burnt.
And
The broccoli is burnt
and it's bitter.
and it's bitter.
Big from the charge.
What's your assessment?
You know, so that's my assessment.
Chicken is very good. I really like the flavor. I like the sauce too. I like that sauce. The potato just does need to be cooked a little more. The broccoli, well, I think the broccoli, I must have done that early because it's really cold. Everything else is pretty warm.
You know, it's funny, this broccoli was the last thing
Yeah.
that
Was it? It's just cold though. But other than that, it's good. Presentation was great.
Dish number 2.
We need to get our
Mama
water.
Jones dish.
This is your water.
No, it's not.
Where's your water?
Mine's right there by George.
Oh, so who's this?
Who's
This?
that?
Oh, this
chicken
is
was
probably
so
Troy already. Yeah, this is me.
Slide over. Sit down. Which way?
You drink your water already?
No.
You have to
Your
drink the water.
Drink the water.
to wash out.
Wash out the taste of that one.
Yeah.
We did have collab for both.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
All right.
So can I start again?
Yeah.
Because I had stopped.
So now, Pops and Jovi is digging into Mama Jones now.
Oh, let me taste
Yeah. So you need to get a fork and get one of mine. Okay.
Don't overeat. You have to try another plate.
You just have to stop.
Where's our plate?
Them broccoli tastes good.
Where's Mama Jones?
Yo!
Mama Jones, Mama Joan here.
Damn! Just a broccoli alone. Oh my God.
Hey, it's because of the cheese he put on it.
As I said, it's
Successful sabotage.
Yes, as I said, this is
Yo.
good. As well as, you know, but from your animate fashion.
What do you think? The broccoli is.
The broccoli's delicious.
Well,
and the
nice.
potatoes are really great too.
Let me try a potato, please.
Potatoes good. Nice and crispy too.
And great texture on the potatoes.
It could have been a little bit softer for
Yeah.
me. Though.
Yeah, it could have been.
Yeah, I think it's potato.
The outside was a little tougher than.
The chicken flavor is good, but I think the texture's a little dry.
As someone who don't like
Yeah, the potatoes could have been a little softer, but again,
really
we have
good.
technical difficulties.
With my potato.
The
That's
chicken
okay.
is fine. I think for
Annie, what's your guys' assessment?
You all just
The broccoli is great. Really good flavor. Right texture. Potatoes to me are good. I like it. I like my potatoes like this. It's got a little crisp to it. I like that. Chicken is good. I think it is just a little bit dry. Might have just been cooked
Chicken
a little
dry?
bit.
Yeah,
Just a
because
little.
mine it's a little dry because remember when we turn up the fire and speed
What?
up. So okay.
This chicken to me not dry.
Okay.
But mine isn't dry.
It's okay.
Man, that's
Yeah,
a
just-
I think the broccoli is really good. Really
It
good
might have been
texture.
positioning in the pan.
The chicken is a little dry. I love the sauce of the chicken also. And the potatoes are perfect.
How about the broccoli?
The broccoli.
Yeah, she said that.
Oh, she did.
So she loved the broccoli and the potato is perfect.
Perfect.
And the chicken is a little bit dry, but she can work with it. She loves the sauce.
All right. Now you have to do your mouth
You have
wash,
to wash out your mouth.
and we try the final dish.
So guys, the judge is tallying up. The judge make them decision already, and they are tallying up the winner. So we have some hard potato, we have some burnt broccoli, we have some wood broccoli. So it's a very tight decision. We have compost sauce. We have compost people them palette, you know, because it's very hard for them, especially when the compost sauce hit the palette. don't have no compound sauce.
Oh, yeah,
See,
from
you
the
know me, I win this year right
Italian
now.
first?
Good
Oh,
Italian
okay.
me.
And then so you already
Mama
have.
Joan, I win this
done.
one here. So I'm just waiting for the judge to finish tally up.
Whatever you all want to do.
Read everything that's on there, because if they wrote something on there, they want to.
1, Mama Joan.
Alright, Mama Joan got one
And
vote.
2,
Joseph and Janine.
okay, next we have 1, Mama Joan. And 2,
Other two are tied.
I know who did that.
And then this one here, read that note down there. It says best presentation red team.
Okay.
Oh, I'm like red.
That would be y'all.
Red team.
Okay, okay.
next we have Jan.
Who in here is named Jan? Who's close to that? No. Joan. Somebody wrote Joan.
Joan?
Mama
That's
Joan.
Mama Joan.
Mama Joan.
And the second.
2, Joseph.
Next one.
Anderson and Mama Joan.
Jesus God. Alright, we disqualified.
No, I can't believe this. Mama Joan actually really come first. When I cook out, no, me have to wait till everything tally up first. Me cannot believe this. I cannot believe it.
Guys,
Mama
Until next
next
time.
year.
Mama Joan.
Greenway.
Mama Joan Greenwood.
No, that's Mama Joan and that's Greenway.
What's that?
They're the Greenways.
Run to the funny board dog. Oh gosh.
One left.
Let's see who it's going to. Mama Joan. Phoebe.
That's it.
Alright. So
Final
Tally.
Final tally. Red team 1, black team 1, Mama Joan 5, and Joy 1. Joy, she voted for herself. Everybody did a good job.
I cannot believe this. Mama Joan finally win a cook-off. Oh, this is, I'm so excited.
All of it was good.
Anyway, guys, I want to thank all of you guys for my winning today. And I like you guys. Before I get any further, I like you to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so that you don't miss a post when I post. Guys, this was a wonderful cookout with my family. And I can't believe I win, but it's about time. I did not cheat. Listen to this, guys. Listen. My daughter-in-law accidentally sprinkled cheese on my broccoli.
Sabotage.
And that give it a heads up because I have the best broccoli.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. I did not have the charred one. I had the best one. Well,
She didn't have the charred one.
So,
okay, so guys.
Wow.
But wait, who charred?
I was distracted.
Grandma, we're still eating your chicken.
Okay, see, and my grandbaby over there is still eating my chicken.
I'm gonna eat
So
it.
guys, as I said again, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you do not miss a post when I post. And guys, stay tuned and remember, watch the Greenway.
Greenway.
Greenway, you already know what it is. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the post notification button so you don't miss some videos from us. Don't know.
Yep, and
Oh, wow.
don't try your broccoli.